It's that time again where I do a unboxing of the SKETCHBox. This is actually the February SKETCHBox, and on top you can actually see the artist that was featured from last month, I believe. Her name is Nicole Skluter. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is her art and these are her handles, so go check her out if you like her fish drawing because it's very fishy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just unbox this thing because I'm like so disappointed in SKETCHBox and I'm like, I don't even have like expectations anymore. So let's just get started with this. Alright, so as we open it up, ooh, okay, alright. I see stuff. Alright, SKETCHBox, I see you're coming back. Alright, so the first thing I see is a pad of paper, and it says oil painting. My day legit got so much better! Oh my god, no. I dreaded this day for my life. Like, SKETCHBox, I'm done. I'm completely done with you. This paper legit feels like watercolor paper. It has like a really heavier texture though. So, by the look of the paper, we got oil paints. Yay. So I see a pencil and it's a Rembrandt Polycolor pencil. I'm guessing this is a colored pencil or maybe just a regular graphite pencil. I don't even know, but hopefully it's a colored pencil because I'm just like, no to oil paint. Oh my gosh. All right, so the next thing I see is this really big package and it's by the brand Spectrum Noir. So we're gonna flip it over. All right, these are blending stumps. I have not used these ever since I was in middle school, and that was a while ago. So by the looks of this, I am not liking this box at all because I don't even use these. All right, so we're just gonna open this up. I'm just gonna take my scissors and just open it up because my mood is just not happy right now. So yeah, come on. My scissors are just like, Narelle, we hate you. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as we open it up, hopefully these are not messy at all. These are Van Gogh oil pastels. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. And this is a pigment stick. I'm guessing this is kind of like a blending stump. I think so. I don't know. But these are some oil pastels and I am like not ready for this at all. But I love the fact that they gave you a lot of different colors and oh my goodness. At least we have a skin tone to work with, guys. Alrighty, and we have one more item in here. It's another one of those colored pencils, I think. So I guess these are for the lines if you want like a line arty effect. But yeah, that is pretty much it for what's in this box. Okay, based on reading these supplies, they seem okay. The only thing I'm happy about, honestly, is this little colorless blender they chose because I don't know how to work with oil pastels. I've never worked with oil-based anything. I know the polychromos are oil-based, so I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this box. Do I think it's worth the money? I'll have to wait until I do the drawing, but this is pretty much what I have to work with, and I'm scared and I'm sad because I canceled my second subscription, so I got another box of this stuff, and I'm like, I don't even know. I don't even know, man. I don't know why I'm so sad right now, but I just don't want to put good supplies to waste, and I feel like this is going to go to waste on me, but I'm going to do my job. This isn't my job, but I'm going to make the drawing, okay? So, alrighty, guys. So now we're in the speed paint portion of this video. I do admit it was actually really fun using these supplies. I actually never used oil pastels before, so I kind of let go of my pride of me not liking liking what I got and just actually had fun using the supplies. Yes, I did have my own opinions about the supplies, cough cough, that blending thing they put in there, but overall I had fun. I do admit near the end I just kind of gave up on the drawing because I think with oils you really have to spend your time on it, and the idea I came up with was just something simple and really cute because I legit looked up so many videos on how to blend these things, and I just come to the conclusion that I will never understand why, and the only thing that I gained from the videos is that press hard and you'll get a really nice effect, and I'm just like, okay, there we go. So yes, but if you actually do use the blending stumps, it does blend them out beautifully. So if you guys don't really like all the harshness, those blending stumps are a lifesaver. But do I think all these supplies in the box were worth $25? Not really. Really, guys, it's not. This was a really fun box just to experience something new, but I would have rather spent technically $30 because it's $5 for shipping. I would have rather spent that on stuff that I actually would enjoy rather than stuff I would be disappointed at getting on a month-to-month basis. So I did end my subscription to SKETCHBox, and maybe I'll try Art Snacks next because I don't know, SKETCHBox just left me disappointed. And the people are super sweet, but I'm just like, nah, this ain't for me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.